Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar General. Here I am looking at their Christmas stuff. Let's see what they have, guys. So look at this. Oh, that is so cute. Alright, so that's a solar bobber. And I don't think I see a price on that. Then they have this winter spice. That's $4. This is really pretty too. I like that. That is so nice. Okay, that's $10, and here's some more of that Christmas pine. So then they have these towels. So this is a double set, and this is $4. So I think this is really cute, and this is new. I don't think I've ever seen it before. This is spicy and salty for $2. Isn't that cute? Okay, then you have some of the travel mugs with hot chocolate. $3. That's cute. And they have this wreath over here. That's really pretty. And then these are like throw rugs. And I'm not sure how much that is. Then we have some wrapping paper over here. Some more throw rugs over there. And this is like a Merry Christmas tree. Oh, that's a stocking hanger for $15. I never seen that before. Look at the size of that clock. That is enormous. Look at this. 3-day sale, $10 off is $25. So anyway, over here we have some, that's really nice. Okay, so over here they have this. I'm absolutely loving this truck. Isn't that gorgeous? So that comes in white and red, and that's $3. So I'm loving these. Look at the pom-poms on the bottom. So that's Christmas calories don't count with the little pot holder. And then here are the mini bells, and there are the oven mitts for $1. And they come like that too. These are so nice. Totally nice. And then they have these candles over here. Let it snow. Have a jolly Christmas. So wax warmers. So then they have these Christmas. This is blueberry. What is that? Glitterberry. And that's $1. So these are $1. Let me see. This one says cinnamon scented candles, $1. And this one says cranberry ice, $1. That's really nice. And I'm loving these. Aren't they nice? So they're 2 wick. And I'm loving the wood cutout on the top of the lid. So this one says pine frost. And that one back there says sugar cloud. Very nice. And I love them for their boxes. So there they have some ribbon. Those are $3 a piece. Some more of those dollar candles and some more of these. These are so nice. And these are only $5. Wouldn't they be nice to gift? And these are also $1. And there's the countdown. Some more candles there. I don't want to knock anything over. Okay, so if we come over here, everything's kind of like thrown around, but I'll show you what they have. So this box here says Believe. Isn't that nice? It's a nice size box, $5. And look at the ribbon. Let me see if I can show you that. So these are ornaments, a 3-pack, $3. So they have the truck, ribbon, Farm Fresh Christmas trees, and that is 2.5 inch by 9 feet. I like that. I think that's a good price. And here's some burlap and some candy cane ribbon. And then this is the tree skirt. Oh, look, I like this one. Then they have this one for the kids. That's Toy Story, Avengers, Spider-Man, and Toy Story. Then they have this one here. Then they have the elf hat, the bows. I like that bow. So that bow there is $3, and then they have a $3 garland in red and in the white. So if we come down here we have this size burlap, and then they have the Merry Christmas. Okay, some more ribbons here. What does this say? Those are really nice. They have some stakes down here along the bottom. So these red ones are $1, and the ones with the Santa are $1.50. And I like this pack. So this here is $5. and you get 5. So it's $1 each, and the bottom one is baker's twine. I think that's a good buy. And then this is for the bigger trees, these skirts. So these skirts are only $5. So they come in that buffalo check, that red. This one is really nice. That one. And then look at the size of this stocking. Here's a tree skirt, and here's another tree skirt. So then they have some mini lights. Here's a pillow for $10. Okay. And so here we have some lights and some cushions, some LED, some tree toppers. So then you have some Santa bells and some necklaces, some light up bracelets, and some games. Rudolph nose, some paddles. This aisle is very narrow. Okay, so then they have those treat bags. And then they have these paper bags and those gift boxes. And then they have those holiday bags. Their bags are so nice. You can even craft with them. Then here is the tape and the wrapping paper. Some more gift bags over here, and along the top, you can see they have their bows all along the top and their gift boxes. Very nice. Look at this one. Look how nice this one is. I have those. Oh, look at these Christmas character clips. These are so pretty. And here's another bag of the Decor ornament kit. Look how nice that one is. And this one. They're so cute. Scratch and reveal ornaments. And there's some, what is those pins? Novelty pins. And here's some scented pens. So then they have these. Okay, so let it snow. That's the snowman. And it's LED. It's $3. And then look at this. I like this one. So that's also LED, and I believe those are $3 too. And that one back there is the little Volkswagen with the tree on top. That's so cute. So I'm liking this mason jar. So that is $1.50. That's so nice. You can actually give gifts in these. And there's the red top one, and the green top is all the way in the back. So look at these. These are the LED, the Christmas bulbs, and those are $1. And then we have these two colors left, the yellow and the blue. Then these are the little boppers, the peanuts, and those are $5. Snoopy. So then we have some ornaments over here. Look at that huge bow. And I'm loving this one. I absolutely love this set right here. And here's the bows for $1. So this mini light up church is $2. Look at this one. The light went out on that one. And this is what they have for ornaments. Okay, so then we have this ornament. These are all $1. Love, hope, peace, and Christmas reindeer feed. The snowman. Here's the angel wings and the stocking. The Noel. The red bows. I love the door. Here's the elf. Okay. And I like this one. I like this ornament. And look, Santa's workshop. Very nice. Okay, and then this is a nativity. These are so adorable. Look at this. Oh, look, this is a gnome. So he is $5. Isn't he adorable? And here's some more down here. Some more lights and some more ornaments. So guys, as you can see, this aisle has been torn up. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day, guys, just as well as I am. And I will see you in the next video, guys.